Hello, Astrid. Okay, so I received my package, and this is your logo. My hair from K Hair. I'm in Ghana, and this is what I got. I love this. Look at how smooth and silky it is. Just checking the hair strands. Oh my god. I'll definitely come for more. Look at this. I got this curl too. I got my curly hair too. Look, it's nice. I love everything here. Thank you, Astrid. This is my piece curl. Sorry. I love everything here. I love everything. I'm coming back. I'm stuck with you, Astrid. Here you go. Very silky and nice. I love everything here. Wow.